The HTML head tag is a crucial element of a website and can be found at the top of each page, right inside the opening HTML tag. The HTML head tag's purpose is to provide additional information about the web page. Inside the heads tag, there are several other HTML tags you can use, each serving a unique purpose. Tags like the title tag, which defines the title shown in the browser's title bar or tabs. There's also the style tag for embedding CSS styles. There's also the meta tags for providing metadata about the HTML document. You can also use the link tag to link external resources like CSS files. There's also the script tag to link JavaScript files or write inline JavaScript. It's important to note that the contents of the head tag are not rendered on the web page. Instead, they provide information to the browser and the search engines. Here's a basic example of how the head tag is used in an HTML document. In this example, we see the head tag containing several other tags. The title tag sets the title of the web page, which is displayed in the browser tab. The meta tags set the character encoding for the page and describe the page. The link tag links to an external CSS file, and the script tag links to an external JavaScript file. Remember, as I already mentioned, none of these elements will be visible on the rendered page. You won't be able to view them on the front end of the page. They are only there to provide information to the web browser and search engines. That's it for a quick explanation of the HTML head tag. I hope this helps you to understand what the head tag is and how it can be used in an HTML document. As always, happy coding. Don't forget to subscribe for more web development videos and full courses to boost your income to over $50,000 a year. Thank you for watching.